think. The human heart is just an organ? Just a collection of muscles and tissue? Think again. Don't scroll, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why some relationships never recover.
Serious tone, Mom. He's not answering. I don't know why, but something feels really wrong. Honey, you two are always fighting. Think about it. Why are you so worried about him right now?
Because when trust is hit, the heart doesn't bleed. It shatters. It doesn't just break. It scatters like glass. And some pieces are so small, they can never be found again. Don't just look at this as a video clip or a random accident on a street. This is the silent crash happening inside our homes and our hearts every single day. We aren't just talking about broken glass. We are talking about the point of no return in your relationships. But what if you could prevent the crash before it happens? To keep your relationships, whether with your partner, parents, or children, from shattering, you need these 4 non-negotiable pillars. And pay close attention to the last one, because it's the only thing that can fix a crack before it becomes a break. Number 1, radically honest communication. Small lies are like tiny pebbles hitting a windshield. You don't notice the damage until the whole thing spiderwebs. Say what you mean, even when it's hard. Number 2, emotional presence. In the US, we are busy. But being busy is a slow poison for love. Being in the same room isn't enough. You have to be in the same moment. Number 3, boundaries, not barriers. A relationship without boundaries is a house without walls. You need to know where you end, and they begin, to keep the respect alive. Number 4, the art of the micro repair. This is the secret. Don't wait for a huge fight to say sorry. Fix the small misunderstandings immediately. A 5-minute conversation today prevents a lifetime of silence tomorrow.